this delicious creamy banana ABELEWALLS will be your favorite. It is so good. You just have to try it once and you will make it over and over again. Hello, this is Owusuaa's Kitchen. Welcome. Before we even start, my dear, can I kindly ask you to smash this video, like it before we even begin, because you would love it. For ingredients, I have some bananas here, Nido, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, and sugar. These are our carbs and some sticks as well. To start with, I'll pour about half a cup of evaporated milk and then add onto our saucepan. To that, I'll be adding about 2 cupfuls of water. If you are making these to sell, please use milk powder and dilute it with water instead, just so you can make some profit. Yes, so I'm using ripe banana, as you can see, and it is quite sweet. So go ahead and chop them into smaller pieces, and just before the milk starts to boil, add it onto your milk, creating a delicious flavorful banana milk. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to simmer and come back after like 2 minutes to stir it, just so it doesn't boil over. The bananas are not quite soft, so we will leave it and come back. And now look, it is nice and soft. Turn off the fire and let it cool down. In a separate glass, I'm going to be pouring some Nido. Again, if you are using this for a commercial reason, you may use a quality milk powder to do this. In my original ABELEWALLS recipe, which I'm going to link it down below, I had so many people asking me how they could do it and make profit out of it. So please do use milk powder if you are considering to make a business out of this. After dissolving the Nido with some water, we will go back and check the bananas. Now it is not too hot, so go ahead and scoop all the content into a blender, topping it up with the milk. Now you really want to blend this smooth, yes, very smooth, just like so, and pour it into your mixing bowl. Once you have all the content in a mixing bowl, we are going to be adding some sweetened condensed milk. I'm using about half a can to this much mixture. Mix it in well and just take a look at how creamy this is already. After this stage, it is now time to bring in the Nido and add it as well. This is now mixed in very well as well, and it tastes so delicious already. This is optional, but I always add evaporated milk to my ABELEWALLS. I just love the fresh flavor and taste of evaporated milk in my milk popsicles. If at this stage it isn't sweet enough, then go ahead and add some sugar. Mine is fine. This is so creamy, beautiful. Now let's add in some more flavors. So I'll be adding some pineapple flavor to the whole lot. But if you stay tuned, there is a little twist towards the end, because I left some and made a different flavor with it. Now take a look at how creamy and delicious this looks. Yes, my lovely, so get your carbs ready and pour them over, making sure that it goes just slightly above the middle. Okay, after that we will going to be leaving some and like we said, we will add a different flavor. I am going to be topping it up with vanilla flavor. Together with the pineapple flavor, it creates really new exciting flavor. And if you wish, you may add food color to your banana popsicles as well to give it that nice yellow color, but this is totally optional. Once this is also mixed in, we will fill up the remaining of the carbs. The ones behind are the ones with no food color. So everything is now poured in. So we would go ahead and place our sticks. Hello, if you've watched me until this time, please consider leaving a like on this delicious ABELEWALLS. Thank you. So I left mine overnight. Look at the two contrasting colors. So get yourself some water and place your carbs inside for about a minute or two, checking occasionally so that it does not melt too much. If you check it and it is quite hard for it to come out, just put it back for a minute or 30 seconds and try again. Now it comes out smoothly and our ABELEWALLS banana popsicles looks just perfect. These ABELEWALLS, they speak for themselves, and it is a great business idea too. These are the ones with no food color, and I'll show you shortly how the ones with the color looks like. This is the one with the food color. How beautiful is that? My kids and I don't know this is how they love to have their ice cream, with some pancakes. Of course, I make sure I don't put too much sugar in the pancakes, and it is delicious. I do hope you combine this and you would be a believer. This is Owusuaa's Kitchen. You are welcome. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so very much. Please do not forget to activate your bell icon to receive all my future uploads. And if you are new here, I hope you are here to stay. Kindly leave this delicious banana ABELEWALLS a bit fat thumbs up to help support the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.